Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt Klipper office tester. We're going to discuss the features on this unit and talk about some of the work we've done to it. Now usually these units come in with the electric motor mounted up here, and then they have a big bulky guard on them. What we do is build a mount and position the motor up underneath of the machine. It modernizes it and makes it more compact. Another thing we do when rebuilding these office testers is equip them with safety shielding. We designed and built this very convenient folding safety shield. This allows for easy access to the fan belt when tailoring the flow of air for your crop. The safety shield is held in place by one wing nut. Alright, I've removed the wing nut, and the safety shield can then be folded down, giving you access to the fan belt. To prevent the folding guard from pressing into the iris control rod, we also fabricated this safety shield rest to hold the guard up while changing the fan speed. For safety purposes, we also fabricated this half moon piece that seals in the back side of the safety shield. Here you can see the unit running. It hums right along, nice and quiet, nice and smooth. There's no unusual noises. Now, of course, when you're running product, you'd have it loaded with screens. Here you can see the airflow control iris working again. Here you can see the unit from the other side. With the safety shield folded down, you can see the drive side of the unit. Everything works as it should. Now, of course, do not operate this unit without this guard in place. It's just an all-around nice unit, ready to go back to work for a long time.